How to fix the error hard disk not found on the Swann DVR recorder. Right here, this is the model 4580V. Now there are a number of reasons why you may get this error. Now you can see here, if I go into my menu and go into setup, and if I click on device, there is no hard disk information at all, so I can't even format it. Now the reason being, there are several reasons. The first is that you want to check to make sure you are not sharing your power cable with another device. So here we got a splitter for the camera and then one going to the DVR box. Now this is not, with the splitter it does not have enough power to support your hard drive. So that's why it has enough power to run the motherboard, but with the hard drive it does not have enough power. So what you want to do is make sure you have a separate power adapter just for the DVR. So no splitter, nothing. You need to have a dedicated power adapter for the DVR. Okay, now I'm plugging in the power cable and the hard disk is now running. So that could be the number one reason. Another reason is the DVR lost the hard disk drive configuration after the reset. So you might need to go in and perform a format or reinitialize the hard disk. Okay, so this time if I go into my menu and go into setup and I click on device, now my hard disk is recognized. So you can go there and try to format it and then click on OK. So we select the hard disk and then we click on format. Here we need to put in the password. Then click on authenticate, then click on OK. And it is now gone ahead to format the hard disk. Okay, so once it is formatted, you should see the state say no more. So our hard disk is good to go. Now another reason is could be inside here when you move your box around, the cable could be loose. So you might want to open up your box and check the cables, the SATA cable and the power cable. Make sure they are properly plugged into your hard disk drive and nothing is loose, so double check on that. Now if you had your DVR recorder for a long period of time, over time the hard disk could fail, like this one right here. It's quite old and it failed, it doesn't work anymore. So double check and make sure the hard disk is working correctly. You may need to unplug the hard disk and connect it to your computer or another device where you can test your hard disk. You should be able to feel the hard disk is running. If you touch on it, you should be able to feel a light vibration on the hard disk. If there are no vibration, it means it's dead and you may need to retest it or reformat it from your computer. Now if you recently install a new hard disk, that hard disk could be incompatible or unformatted new hard disk drive. So again, if you just install it, you need to go into the settings and you need to format the hard disk. Okay, and that's it. So hopefully one of the solutions help you solve the error with no hard disk found on the Swann DVR recorder. The one that I have is the model 4580V, but it should work with other models as well.